I've taken you to different stores so you know where to buy essentials, and I'll put that either up here or in the description box. But today we're gonna go a little bit deeper. Hi, I'm Wendy, your Netherlands guide, and today we're gonna go inside my local supermarket so I can show you how our Dutch brands compare to American brands. So let's start off with a couple of things that I need for the house. So if you see this here, aluminum foil, this would be equivalent to Reynolds wrap in the US, so I put that on the screen for you. And then this is something else that I need is freezer bags, and this is like the Ziploc bags that we have in the US. So great quality product here. Let's go across the aisle. If you're one of those people that like certain deodorant, you'll find this brand here, and this brand is similar to the Degree brand in the US. If you are a person that deals with incontinence and you are looking for Depends, this brand here, Tena, is a brand that's similar to Depends. So if you have a little kid and you're looking for Tylenol, this is a store brand. It's called Kinder Paracetamol. But if you're looking for a name brand, this would be equivalent to children's Tylenol that you find in the US. If you're looking for an antacid brand, you can buy this brand here. I know that it works. The holidays are coming up, so this is a brand that I really like. Actually, I started using this brand back in Germany, a beer gas. I believe they even sell this in the US, so know that it is available here in the Netherlands. If you have a cold and you're looking for something like Theraflu, this is a brand that's similar to what you find in the US for Theraflu, as well as this brand. Here's a brand that I really like. Drift is similar to Dawn dishwashing liquid, and you can see that it even comes in the dishwashing tabs as well. Huh, I didn't realize they sold this. Hadn't seen this in a while in the store. I've actually had to order it online, so it's actually here in the store. So in the US we have like Downy, but here in the Netherlands you can buy this, and it works just like the fabric softener that you get in the US. This is a brand that I love to buy. It comes with for white clothes, color clothes, and dark clothes, and I really like the dark one because it keeps my black clothes black. If you like to clean with OxyClean, we have it here in the Netherlands. It's just under this brand called Vanish. And just in case you don't want to make your own window cleaner, we have Glass-X here, so it would be the same US brand, Windex. And here you can see if you need to unclog your drains. We have it as Mr. Muscle by S.E. Johnson. I believe in the US it's called Mr. Clean. I'm gonna have to look that one up, but I'll put it on the screen once I confirm it. So if you're looking for a disinfectant like Lysol, this is the brand that we have here in the Netherlands. If you're looking for baby products similar to Johnson & Johnson in the US, this is the Dutch brand here. But you can see we also have the Pampers brand here. If you need baby formula, here's the brand we have here in the Netherlands, and I'll put up the US equivalent. But you can see it's quite a lot here in my local store. So I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into what brands you can find here in the Netherlands that are the equivalent to the US brands. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments other things that you would like for me to do a video on. Thanks. Bye-bye.